Hosebo everybody. So in the last video, we learned how to receive token and get token out from the exchange onto our wallet. Today, we'll look at how to use crypto wallet with decentralized apps. Now this video demo will cover some of the common use cases such as sending tokens, buying tokens from decentralized exchange, connecting to NFT marketplace, and also connecting to trading platform. Now to send a token on Trust Wallet, on your homepage, just need to click on send, and here you'll be shown the token that you have. So in my case, Bitcoin Cash, I'll click on Bitcoin Cash, and here we can input the recipient address and also the token amount. Once you confirm the details, you can click next and it will be asked to sign the transaction. Now the important thing to take note here is never to input the recipient address by hand, but either to copy or scan a QR code. Now the next example is to see how can we interact with decentralized apps. So on Trust Wallet, there's this tab called the browser. Here you are able to search or enter a website URL. Now let's say you want to get some ETH. Instead of using a centralized exchange, you can also be using a decentralized exchange. Now in this case, we will be looking for Uniswap. Now when you type in a search and the search result returns, beware of fake links. So make sure that you are going to the correct Uniswap, which is uniswap.org. Now usually for me, I will save this as a bookmark so that I do not need to search again. So Uniswap is a decentralized exchange. So here, let's say you have USDC, you can input USDC and exchange for ETH. Now to connect to Uniswap, just click on connect, click on injected, and you can see the wallet will be connected. If this is the first time, it will ask you to sign a transaction. Now another thing to note is the chain that you like to connect to. Now in this case, currently Uniswap service a few chain. Right now I am on Ethereum. So today if I want to connect to Uniswap on Polygon, I will click on this three dot over here and I will switch the EVM network, and here I will choose Polygon and the page will reload and Uniswap will be now on the Polygon chain. Now any tokens that you swap here is on the Polygon chain. So let's say you want to go back to Opensea, so you cancel this. Again, making sure that you are going to opensea.io. Now to connect to Opensea, click on this hamburger menu, click on connect wallet. So sometimes you might not be able to find injected or Trust Wallet icon, but you can click on wallet connect and you will see Trust Wallet, and you can click on Trust Wallet. Then it will ask you for connection to the wallet. Then you can click connect and you are connected to OpenSea. Now let's do one more example with a trading platform. Now the demo I'll be using will be GMX. So coming to GMX, you can click on launch app, you can click on connect, and here again you will choose wallet connect and you can choose trust, click connect, and you are connected to GMX. Now I hope this short video series helped you understand how to use a crypto wallet, now in this case Trust Wallet. Remember, not your keys, not your coins, and always keep your keys, seed phrase safe with you. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.